Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to use SAR tool to monitor system performance in ParrotOs version 3.9. SAR is a part of sysstat package. SAR tool is used to monitor performance of various Linux subsystems. It collects performance data and stores them. Now let us see its usage on your ParrotOs version 3.9. Now switch to your terminal. First install sysstat by running the following command. After installation, you have to check the version of your SAR type. This is your installed version. Next, we'll see the options available in it. First, in order to display the total number of processes, queue length and load average of your system with some time interval and line counts, I am going to specify it as -q followed by the time interval and your line count. This is how, with the help of this command, the system will generate the number of processes, queue length and load average of your system. Up next, I'm going to view the network statistics by SAR-n DEV followed by the time interval and line count. Here I am specifying it as 1 for each. This in turn will generate your network statistic counts, that is your received packets, total packets in terms of bytes and so on. Next, in order to exclude any particular network device, I'm gonna exclude my Ethernet device. For that, this will generate only the report of your another device which is present in your system. Next, in order to know your disk status of your system, type SAR-d, which is small d, followed by your time interval and line count. Next, to view your memory statistics of your system with some delay and its line count, simply type SAR -r and provide some delay and line count. This will in turn provide you the memory statistics, that is available memory, used memory in terms of KB, your buffer size, your cache size and so on. Next, if you want to display only CPU statistic of your system with some time delay and line count, you can simply type SAR-u, which in turn produces the CPU statistics of our machine. Next, I'm going to check the specific CPU usage of my system. For that, SAR-P. After capital P, you can add the device name. You can even add your processor name. Here I'm going to provide all. View the status of all the components on my CPU. Up next, to know your swap memory statistic report, type SAR-S, your time interval and line count. This will in turn produces your swap free used in terms of percentage. And in order to know the output and input statistic of your CPU, and as usual, provide your time interval and line count. Next, to report the total number of processes created per second, type SAR-W and your time interval and line count. And thus we have seen how to use SAR tool to monitor your system performance on ParrotOs version 3.9. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.